Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the image banner section. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the image banner section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the image banner section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Free Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the image banner section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Image Banner, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the image banner section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Choose your desktop banner height. Adapt to first image. Automatically adjusts the banner height based on your first image for a natural, proportionate layout. Small, a compact banner, ideal for minimal sections or subtle placements. Medium, a balanced option suitable for most use cases, offering clear visibility without overwhelming the layout. Large, a full impact banner designed for promotions, featured products, or important announcements. You can set a separate mobile banner height for better responsiveness and user experience. Adapt to first image. Maintains original image proportions for a natural mobile display. Small, compact, and scroll-friendly layout for quick browsing. Medium, balanced mobile experience with good visibility and spacing. Large, full-screen immersive banner for maximum mobile impact. Adjust the image overlay opacity from 0% to 100% to control how much overlay appears on your images. Great for improving text visibility. Enable Show Container on desktop to display content inside a structured container, or disable it for a full-width layout. Start by uploading your desktop image, which will be displayed on larger screens. Next, upload your mobile image, optimized specifically for smaller devices. Using separate images for desktop and mobile ensures better visual balance, improves clarity, and delivers a more optimized viewing experience across all screen sizes. Desktop content position. Choose where your text appears on desktop: top left, top center, top right. Ideal when the main visual focus is lower, leaving space above for text. Middle left, middle center, middle right. The most balanced and commonly used option for clear visibility. Bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. Best for images with heavy visuals at the top, keeping text in a cleaner space below. Mobile content position. Choose where your text appears on mobile: top left, top center, top right. Great when important visuals are positioned lower in the image. Middle left, middle center, middle right. A balanced layout that keeps content centered and easy to read. Bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. Works well when the top area is visually busy, allowing text to sit clearly at the bottom. Add image link. Make your banner clickable by linking it to a product, collection, or any page. Text position. Desktop. Choose where your text appears on desktop: top, middle, or bottom, depending on your layout and design preference. Text position. Mobile. Choose where your text appears on mobile: top, middle, or bottom, ensuring better readability and alignment on smaller screens. Match the image banner section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. You can add CTA blocks to enrich your banner, such as advanced, double button, caption, description, double button, icon, image, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full flexibility to design your content exactly the way you want. And that's it. Your image banner section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.